Hi guys, this is a short review on changing the stock exhaust with a Delkevic exhaust. The first thing I want to tell you is that I ordered this one, and maybe interesting for the guys in Europe. I ordered this at Delkevic UK, and this is the box and the seal for the silencer. The exhaust was packed very well. The box was very strong. They delivered it in 2 days and the quality is perfect. As you can see here, it looks very beautiful. Everything was there, mid-pipe, silencer, the baffle is in. I left it in because without the baffle it makes, actually, I don't know if you can see it, yeah, it makes a very big noise. Even with the baffle in, the noise is very sporty. The assembly of it was perfect, easy. I think it took me about 5 minutes to install it, and the weight difference is unbelievable. This is the stock exhaust, which weighs about 7 kilos, and this one weighs 2 kilos. It's unbelievable, the difference. And also I took a test drive yesterday with it, and I can say that reactivity on the throttle is much better than before. The sound is great, and what they say is that you know, when they hear you come, you have an advantage. It's also safety, but it really is another bike with this exhaust on it from Delkevic, and I'm really very surprised with the quality. Here you see Delkevic, and a great hooray for these guys. Their site, the help, the fastness with sending, easiness of payment, it's really great. Thanks guys. So hope this helps you a little bit. You want maybe a sound check? For that I will open my garage door, otherwise my housemates will get crazy. Here we go. Great noise. So that's it guys, bye.